Hello and welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can create a collection in Power Apps.
Let's first create our app. I'm going to choose blank app, blank canvas app. I'm going to call the app restaurants. I'm going to go to insert menu, go to text label, change this to name. I'm going to copy it, paste it twice. Second one, I'm going to change it to city. The third one, I'm going to change it to state. Then I'm going to insert a text input. Take out the default value, rename it, and call it name text box. Select it, copy it, paste it, call this city text box, copy this, paste it, call this state text box. So those are the names. Name text box, city text box, state text box. Now I'm going to insert a button. I'm going to rename it, call it add to collection. And then the on select of this button, there is a function called collect. What we need is to open parentheses, and we need to give the collection a name. So I'm going to call this collection restaurants. Restaurants. All right. After restaurants, I'm going to hit a comma, type in the squiggly brackets, and put in the column name for the collection. So I'm trying to capture the name. So name, colon, and then the name of the text box, which was name text box dot text. Notice how the text box is highlighted in green, and it's also highlighted in green here. We can just copy this, paste it, change this second column to city, change this to city, and it highlighted the city text box. Paste it one more time, change the last column to state, state. So we open a squiggly bracket, we need to close it, and then we need to close the parentheses. So this is what it looks like right here. Collect, the name of the collection, and the name of the columns inside of the collection. Now if we hit play, we need to add the name. So we're doing restaurant, so let's say Burger King, City, Charleston, State, South Carolina. We press add to collection. That information is added to our collection. If we go to settings, the three dots, go to collections, you'll see a collection is named restaurants with the city, name of the restaurant, and the state. Now we can add a gallery, vertical gallery, and we can use the restaurants collection as our data source. So click it. Let's move it over here. You see that our collection appears in our gallery. Let's change the layout of the gallery. We hit play. We can add another restaurant. So let's say Wendy's. Let's change the city to Columbia, South Carolina. Add to collection, and that restaurant with the information is added to our collection.